The Joint Improvised Threat Defeat organization is responsible for being the institutional quick reaction capability in the Department of Defense. Our core mission is to be able to get capabilities out to the warfighter in less than 2 years to fill critical gaps that the acquisition community is still working on. Data plays a significant role in our business. From a mission perspective, most of the customers we're supporting are supporting real-time, real-world missions, and they need to be able to get access to data across a wide variety of domains and spaces in a very quick and efficient manner. Our data is a key part of our business in order to support and maintain the safety of warfighters throughout the world, especially in combat zones, and to better understand what the enemy is doing out in the field in order to react to that in a much smarter way. So we'd spent quite a bit of time in the big data space, and we really were cobbling together open source capabilities. What we really found was that we were spending more of our time just maintaining the stack together versus doing innovative tools on top of that or building analytics that help answer questions. And that's really what we found in HDP, and going with Hortonworks is taking some of that work that we'd been doing from a day-to-day operations and basic capability area, knock our costs down by 20%. Our initial use case was really bringing in about 1,000 data feeds from desperate sources around the world. But I think we had the opportunity now to bring some other new capabilities that HDP was bringing to the table and bring that into a larger package and leverage that against those 1,000 data sets to really get the right information out to decision makers. From a use case perspective, we did see that 20% cost drawdown, specifically on the O&M piece and maintaining that core capability. The other piece that we did see is a little bit more time to be able to leverage against analytical capability and building those versus focusing on the fundamental framework that held up the Hadoop infrastructure. So I think overall I'd say that really our cost savings was on really shifting people to do more mission-oriented stuff than focusing on just keeping the capabilities up and running day to day. The other big piece is taking the stack and really democratizing it out to not just the customer, but internal to the organization. We're very excited about is some of the integration that's happening across the board with the open source community, specifically around machine learning, AI, and how we can bring that to bear on the enterprise. We take the big data capability very seriously right now. I think probably the biggest impact that we're seeing is that direct support to the warfighter. So when we talk about protecting soldiers from enemies that are around their spaces or being able to identify them and see what's going on as they maneuver through the space, it is critical that we're able to get this data, publish it out to them, and do analytics on top of it that answer the questions that they need so they can make the right decisions as they're out in the battlefield.